In this video, I'm going to be comparing the ROADTEK 3-ton Garage Max jack stand versus the basic jack stand that you've probably grown up with and have in your garage currently. Now I'm going to show you why this one is so good and I choose it every time above the competitor. Now first off, let's dive into this jack stand and see what makes it so special. So ROADTEK is a great company that has innovative products, and they really take products that are already useful and they make them 10 times better. So go and check them out for other products, but in this video, we're going to be talking about the 3-ton jack stand. With both of these together, it's going to hold 6 tons. So the first thing you're going to be noticing about this is it has a circular base, and this is made out of alloy steel, and it's going to be very symmetrical and even all the way through. So the reason why this is going to be better than something like this, so you can see right here that we have these weld points here, and then we also have these very sharp edges and also some more weld points around the side, making this able to fail, and these welds can actually crack and break over time. Having this all one piece is going to make this a lot more durable and safe long term. Now, not only does this look absolutely amazing with the black and the orange powder coat, but this also has 3 different features that are so different from any other jack stand that I've ever seen. So starting off here, we do have 3 different levels of protection to keep this sturdy and safe. Number 1, we have a bolt that goes all the way through that does not allow this to come out all the way. Number 2, we have a little lever on the side, and if you want to drop this down, all you gotta do is twist it back, and that actually has a retraction on it, so it's automatically going to lock every single time. It's going to want to lock back in the position. Now number 3 is going to be this one, and you might have seen this before, but that bar is going to go through, and then we do have a safety pin that is going to lock that in place, keeping that locked in so you know that it's not going to come out. So that lock pin is so important, because if this ever shakes or gets loose, it won't skip or anything like that. It'll stay locked in place, and you know that. And this is also fighting against the resistance to keep that locked in the spot on the notch as well. And then ultimately we have that bolt in there securing this 100%. So probably my favorite part about this jack stand too is it does have a handle and makes it very easy to pick up and transport wherever you want to go. And something that makes that really unique is the fact that you can actually pick up 2 of these jack stands with one hand. That would be pretty hard to carry 2 of these, and I've tried and it never works. I always end up just carrying it with 2 hands. Let me show you the reason why these are terrible. Number 1, whenever you pull this back, it does come all the way out. So that is not 100% locked in. And number 2, you can see whenever I pulled that up, it is not resisting back. It is not going back into the spot, into the notch. That is 100% loose. So if you don't put that down on a notch, it is just so unsafe. Like, I am literally scared to use one of these anymore after I've seen the ROADTEK and those locking mechanisms, because I have had instances where these like skip on me and they just don't feel right. So let's just say you have that down like that and you pull it up. Well, if you pull it up, you really have to pay attention to these, because that can knock this up and then it can lock it up and it won't go back down. So these are just really sketchy. And honestly, I'm gonna be throwing these away now because I really do think they are so unsafe and don't belong in any garage. I need to make sure that if I'm under my car, that I'm gonna be as safe as possible. Another thing I don't like about these is these sharp edges here. So sometimes I have to jack up my car on the asphalt in my driveway, and that will make a huge indent in the asphalt. And honestly, even on these epoxy floors, those edges will dig into the epoxy floors, nicking them up, and I really just can't be having that. So this one has to go. And with that smooth surface on the bottom of this and evenly distributed weight all the way through, it's not going to mess up your asphalt, keeping it preserved and really stable. This is going to last for years to come. They got great customer support, great products. I absolutely love this ROADTEK. Check them out for yourself. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.